So today's video showcases when a trend has really changed in the short term. We have a continuation signal shown by Genesis Elite here. Price is heading up towards the highest probability short reversal zone, and we have Genesis Elite pointing out on the left-hand side that we have a touch opportunity. Naturally, when this is happening, we've been given the signal to go forwards in the direction that price is currently trending, which is long. We can choose a north side target on the one touch option type. To go for that target. Secondly, the target range 1.24266 is around the highest probability short reversal zone, inside it or just outside of it. So we're primed quite nicely here for a high probability one-touch target to the north side, given that Genesis Elite has stated in no uncertain terms that we're looking at a continuation signal with that arrow pointing upwards on a bullish candle. We're also looking at the one-touch option on the left-hand side in the left panel, selected as saying, yes, we have a valid one-touch opportunity. All right, so we're a little closer to the outcome fairly quickly here. Price has gone towards that target fairly quickly. We have at least 13 minutes remaining before this trade naturally expires, and price, as you can see, has entered that highest probability short reversal zone, just bouncing around in there for a little bit before we are most likely going to see an eventual rise up to that target, hitting the target and hence winning the trade. This was an example of using a continuation signal shown by Genesis Elite alongside the left-hand panel telling us that we had a valid one-touch opportunity. When a signal of this nature comes up in Genesis Elite, you're looking at a very high probability event. When an arrow is pointing up on a bullish candle and Genesis Elite is telling you that you have a one-touch opportunity available or a no-touch opportunity, depending on where price is in conjunction to the levels shown on your chart, these are very high probability events that have a very high win rate naturally as a result. Now, not every single trade wins, but in these situations, if you waited patiently for these events, the trade has now hit the target, we have expired in the money here, you can get into very comfortable positions with a lot of confidence, because when Genesis Elite points out such high probability events where two parts of Genesis Elite are essentially agreeing to each other. Secondly, you have ITM Smart Money at the bottom there also indicating bullish momentum coming into the picture with bears not being able to overpower the bulls. You're looking at a very high probability scenario where everything which is leading indicative or part of the fibs layout shown on your charts is pointing to that same direction. You had continuation signals in this case. You had the left-hand panel saying one touch is an option, and you also had ITM Smart Money saying bulls have overpowered bears. Everything was pointing to the north side, hence allowing for a fairly comfortable one-touch trade with the north side target to be taken here today. Thank you.